Hello everyone and welcome to the Intern Placement Tracking or IPT system. This online system allows students, field instructors and faculty field consultants to efficiently and effectively complete administrative tasks relating to field education. This includes keeping relevant practicum and contact information up to date and accessing and completing forms online. This brief tutorial will guide you through logging in to the IPT system for the first time. This includes how to find and access the IPT system, how to set up your own login and password, and how to edit your personal information. Find our IPT field database online at www.runiptca.com. This will take you to the database login page. Please note there is an American and Canadian site that look identical at this point. The Canadian site is runiptca.com. The American site is runipt.com. If you go to the American site, your username and password will not work. You can also find a link to the IPT database from the Renison University College School of Social Work website at
uwaterloo.ca/school-of-social-work. BSW students click on Bachelor of Social Work. MSW students click on Master of Social Work. Then select Field Education. Scroll down the page and select IPT Online Practicum Reporting System from the list of links on both those web pages, which takes you to the final screenshot pictured here.
the first time you log in to the IPT database. This is what the login screen looks like. It's a good idea to bookmark this page as you will be coming back to it many times. On this IPT login page, you will have to enter information into 3 fields. The fields are case sensitive, which means that the system treats upper and lowercase characters differently from one another. When you log in, make sure you're typing in the correct case. The first field you have to enter is the organisation ID. For Renison, the organisation ID is RenSWK. The second field is your default username. This will be provided to you. It consists of 3 capital letters and 4 numerals. You can change this after you've successfully logged in. Finally, you have to enter the default password, which is lowercase IPT. Click the Login button to enter the IPT database after you've completed these 3 fields. The first time you log in to IPT, the program will automatically ask you to create your own permanent login or username and password. Please make a note of them because you'll need them every time you log in to the IPT database. Click the Save button once you've submitted your login name and password. If your login name is already used by another person, the program will ask you to select a different login name. This will take you to the Welcome page or Home page. Congratulations! You have successfully entered the IPT Online Field Education database for the first time and created your permanent login information. You are now at the home page or welcome page of the IPT system as it appears for Renison users. Whenever you log in to IPT from now on, this is the home page or welcome page which will appear. From this home page, you can access all of the needed areas of the IPT database. You will see the Renison logo at the top and beside it your name, showing that you're logged in as a student or field instructor. The home page has 2 sets of menus. one down the left-hand side and one across the top. The menu on the left has two buttons. The My Forms button will allow you to access all the forms you'll need to complete during your practicum. The Change Password button will allow you to change your login username or password at any time. Across the top, students will see a tab called Student Detail, and field instructors will see a tab called Field Instructor Detail. This is where you will enter your contact information. Finally, on the top right of the home page is the Log Out button, which you can use to exit the database at any time. To edit your personal information, click on the Student Detail tab if you're a student, or Field Instructor tab if you're a field instructor. This will allow you to view your details page and make changes to your personal information. Please make sure that you review and update this page as needed so that we have your most current information. In particular, please make sure that we have your most up-to-date email address, as we do use this regularly to get in touch with our students and field instructors. You can also upload a small picture of yourself if you'd like. Once you're done making changes, click on the Save button to save your changes to the IPT system. Thank you very much for reviewing this tutorial on logging into the IPT system. To review other tutorials, please go to our Practicum webpage on the School of Social Work website. Go to the IPT database page of the site to find the tutorials. The contact information for the Renison University College field office and staff are also on this website. Or email us anytime with your questions about the website.